Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you, I want to do this thing, kind of look that I got from this Balmain show. I have this thing that I got from Groupon. It was like $8 and I want to turn it into something that looks like that. So what I'm doing is just cutting a piece of fabric and I'm gonna sew it around the color so I can make it bigger, and then I'll put the buttons that are on the side, and then I have this thing which I will put also on the side, which hopefully will look like the one from Balmain. So so my strategy is to over here put these buttons, and like that. I have a couple of other better buttons from Christian Dior that I actually took off from this jacket that I redid. I'm going to extend this color so it looks like the picture, and then I'm going to put this in here. I'm gonna obviously fit it, and hopefully it would look like this guy over here, more or less. And then we'll. All right, everyone. So I went ahead and finished this part over here. Now I'm just gonna, start doing these buttons, and then put this thing here. I hope for the best. I already ordered the gloves, and this thing has like these pockets, which I'm gonna like remove and see how it looks, but this is my contribution. All right, so I'm done sewing these buttons over here. Put my thing over here. Hopefully it looks like that when I put it on, and we'll give it a whirl. Thanks for watching.